In this tutorial, we will show you how to extract text from a 3-column PDF file using PDF.co and Zapier. In this demonstration, we will skip the Zap trigger step and go right into PDF.co. This will be our sample PDF in this demo. First, we will make a Zap. Then, select PDF.co for the app event. Next, select the PDF to anything converter to convert PDF in any supported format such as text. Now, connect the PDF.co account to perform the Zap. We will set up the configuration. For the output format field, choose the plain text because we want to convert our PDF to text. In the PDF URL field, put the URL of the source PDF documents. Under the Pages field, type in 0 for page 1. Now, we will click the test button to send our PDF to anything configuration to PDF.co. This is to make sure that everything works correctly and without any errors. Great! PDF.co processed our request and the test was successful. You can now turn on the Zap. When you open the output URL from our PDF.co call, the extracted 3-column text will look like this. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel or on our website. Thank you for watching.